Itagat kokeny ketesetai ak logoiwek ko tindoi kayanet MP nebo Kapseret Oscar Sudi kole bendi kosuldoi tetutikab lewenisiet eng emoni kosubkei ak nekotoi commissioners chelelach chebo IEBC kondochin nebo ng'echeret Erastus Ethekon. Kong'ololchin Kass TV eng Nairobi komwa Sudi kole makat eng kibagenge inato koityi kamanutiet tetetab lewenisiosiek chemengechen anan by elections eng emet ako chopchinetab kei noton nebo lewenisiet neo nebo 2027 asikosulda eng oret neititaat ole somei kikochi boroindo kibagenge inato koyai boisienyi ak kenyoru logoiwechutok eng koindo ak sirindenyo Samson Kurgat.
Kosubkei ak MP nebo Kapseret ko commissioners chebo IEBC kobunu tokwek cheterchin ak imang'u kosuldae lewenisiosiek chemengech eng betusiek tutigin chebwonei.
IEBC nekitinye kobo Kenya. Amu ikere nguno chairman kobun Turkana Odin, vice chair kobunu masta age nemining, yani makomi nakicham kekere kelen lasima kobun kabulwek cheechen. Kaek Kenya nekimeche ako tegemene ole kiita chito interview kot konyor nafas. Kingele ile kitinye by elections from MCAs, member of parliament, karibu kitinye more than 10. So suppose ke elections. Ko election ngatiba akonda ngetara mutu ko lazima ka election. So abwati ale nye katabung biyota ko bangan kay maita December ko ka bitore na election. Ka elections ngen wards chimomi matindoi MCAs ak MPs.
Kaesha ine mwaet nekokebaurianchi kele serikalitab Kenya Kwanza komitei eng kandoinatet eng kasar.
Akot ndakikero Kibaki ko kibun challenges cheuchu. Akot ngiro Uhuru ko kibun challenges cheuchu. Ngalekab one term ko biik chemwoe one term ko ma biik tugul. Biik cheng'ering'en ako biik cheongen. So ngalekab one term ko siasa. Ngalekab karya jo kicham kolen maboisie SHA, Kasongo, ne karya ngalechato. So mat ko ima ngalekab one term. Mami ngalekab one term.
Nganda mite mwaet kele tomo kosuldae serikalitab Kenya Kwanza kayomisutik chechang kotinye Sudi cherset neuni.
Chang ngalek chekingele tomo kitimisan lakini ko ingen akichek kole kingenyor serikali ko kiyaki. Lakini ma mising akot chetomo kitimisan kimi chechang chekikahanganso chikikaketoi kohanganso lakini sai kotesetai mosi wasiwasi biikab Kalenjin onae ole akot nangwong teta komi ole keteptoi mo kany kisekeu Arap Sangwartum ongebe nyi melen kolen akot akichek nguritinyo kengele tomo nin tomo no tomo ne itu tukchata tugul mi chetebe kolen tos kitoboni man ngalekab tutam anan ekuan tam nekimwae lion beishonik chokanguyo tos lia akotomo kelia kimoche keshona kele jo omuite kilondei ako kila kitu koitu ako aakse kila kitu.
Kotinygei ak tetutiet nekikolumda ine eng kanaptaetab mung'aresiekab konyik ak neranik eng constituency nebo Kapseret kokamwa Oscar Sudi kole tieme ine koro kole kanyor boisionik neranik ak kwonyik.
Empowerment nanyu atieme aro le kanyor chepyosok kit nekayai mi jensis chu yela akot biik lagok chechang chekiiben chekinyoru mashinishek chapa chips chekinyoru charanishek chekinyoru cheosen kiakochi en posho mills yani kikatan across kemekan sure kele chini kokuri pikipiki nebo chito age kwa muda kong'ololdos bichoto wenyewe kole oye nyalili chito neyeme kikochini kokuri chike nenyinet.
Kekimit ine kole wendi koboroi tetutienoto koityi biik chechang.
Mache konai biik kole makinyoru boisiet biik tugul makoi kesir biik tugul ama mele kesire chi tugul. So mache koyai alake mung'aret koyai alake ne kityeme kinen ole kimuchi kiro kele kaek chi tugul busy kona ino ako empowerment nenyu kiit oleo karibu kila kokwet ko kiit kei although tatesetai tomo mami betut nekelen kaityi chi tugul lakini atesetai amekan sure ale kait kila kokwet kait chito nemaktaat.
Aripotenchini Kass logoiwekab emet eng county nebo Nairobi, kainenyu ko Samson Kurgat.
Yekitestai ak logoiwek eng kasarta ne kitokchingei yaetab mung'aret eng oret nebo musoknotetab kasari anan digital Kokotoi kipsomaninik chebo sukulitab musoknotet nebo Emining TTI eng Mogotio Baringo County website nenaat ko Taste Baringo Honey nekiboisie eng aldaetab kumiat kobun county notok bo Baringo. Kituyokei sukulit notok bo Emining TTI ak Ajira Digital Hub koboto kabatik cheboe sekemik eng Baringo kotoi website notok. Ole kong'ete kotoi kobois website notok ale kikomuch kwalda kumiat neite litaisiek 100 eng arawet age tugul. Ole barait mung'aranoto akoi emotinwek chebo sang. Kenyoru atindonitok sirindenyo Sylvester Rono kong'ete Nakuru County.
En kasarta netesetai emet ak tetutik chebo musoknotet nebo kasari kotesetai akine serikali nebo emoni kokimiti ak kokonoptoi neranik en komoswek cheterter kobun department nebo Ajira Digital Hub neikochin neranik konetisiet konyor ortinwek cheimuchi kotoret ichek. En county nebo Baringo ko kanamgei eun sukulit nebo musoknotet nebo Emining TTI ak kibagengeit nebo Ajira asikomuch kokochi konetisiet kipsomaninik nebo kosuldaen boisionik cheterter kobun musoknotet nebo kasari nenaat kou online. En kasarta nekakirutochi sukulit noton ko kakimuch kenyorun kipsomaninik chekaarorwech kole kakonyorunen kelchin tetutiet noton kosubkei ak nechang boisionik chekakonyorunen melekwek en kasarta age tugul nemwoe kole kikoyai konyumnyumit sobet en ichek.
Personally nimeearn my benefits ya ajira. Personally ni mimi najilipia rent sahi, exam nalipa, najibaia chakula. Sometimes mama ananiambia anataka ya sukari, anataka ya group, mimi namtumia.
Alak en kakwautik chekakotestai koib kipsomaninik choton bo sukulit noton kobun kibagengeit noton anan kobun katuiyetabgei ak kibagengeit nebo Ajira ko aldaet nebo kumiat nemi barak production en county nebo Baringo. Ole kakotoi ichek website nenaat kou Taste Baringo Honey nealdoen kumiat ole mwawech ichek kole en arawet age tugul ko kakomuch kwalda kumiat neite kiloisiek 100 ak niton ko kakotoret temik ak kabatik koboto chemung'arainik en kasarta nekoi kwaldo kumiat en taban nebo oret.
Here in Baringo, there are so technically, let's say from here Emining, there are so many beekeepers. There are so many people who are keeping bees and hives. So what we did, we went and confront them and asked them, how can we help you on marketing your honey? And they say, yes, they sell, but in the locals and along the way, those people who are going to Nakuru. But we told them, let's come up with something that will help you to sell your honey to somebody who is maybe in Eldoret. So we showed him how we were going to work with him, and we told him and how we are going to sell his honey, and they agreed with us.
We created a website called Taste Baringo Honey. After creating the website, people came and we went to a local market, someone who could provide honey for us. After finding Mama Sally, he was able to give us some good quantity of honey. We printed and labeled our Emining TTI, then we started selling honey through that website. So through the selling of honey, it has helped us as a student of any technical training get self-employed so that at least we can earn something through that.
Mwawet agenge en chemung'arainik cheoldo kumiat kole kong'eten ngonamgei eun ak kibagengeit noton bo Ajira ak kipsomaninik choton ko kikotesak kumiat neoldo ngiyomien kasarta nekitiengei kiprutoinik chenyoru en taban nebo oret kityo.
Kotomo ketuyo wanafunzi wa Ajira ya institute tokomi ng'weny biashara koche, lakini kiketuyo akichek wakainua kwa hiyo biashara. Naona ni yani kiteswa mapato chichucha engolilo wote. Karibu tuseme sasa moja alda karibu litaisha karibu pakalake.
Niton ko koik boiboiyet en konetik chebo sugulinoton bo Emening. Kondochin konetindet neo en mwaet kole kakwautiet nekaib kipsomaninik choton ko kabarunet kole somanet nebo muswoknotet koibu walet en kaimutik chebune biikab emet.
Ajira amu ajira icheket chekong'eten kikoyai neranik konai akobo digital skills, konai akobo opportunities chemi akobo en digital space, ak opportunities alak chemi technical training institutions.
Somet kobun inendet kokoityi biikab emoni nebo kotach akoboiboenchi somanet nebo muswoknotet.
So en kasisiek chemuch koen kasisiek choton chemite digital space ko agenge ko kemarketanin products. Akomoche awekyi kongoi Ajira ak Ajira Club chebo Emening TTI amu kikobwat icheket komarketanin kumiat nebunu Baringo en online platform. So amoche amwochi biik tugul en Kenya alechi toben website nebo Ajira Club nebo Emening Technical Training Institute sikobor kole icheket kumiat nekioldoi, kumiat nekararan, kumiat netilil. Kongoi.
En komosta nebo kibagengeit nebo Ajira Digital Hub ko tesetai icheket kotoreti neranik konyorchigei konetisiet kotinygei ak boroinwek chechang chemiten en oret nebo muswoknotet. Jerset neo en ichek ko koityi neranik nebo koyan akotach boroinwek choton.
Those who want to get trained physical, they can see whereby there's a local IEC in the community or an ICT hub. They can go there and get trained, and those trainings are done for free. No one is being charged. And after the training, they're able to get a mentorship for 4 weeks. And through that mentorship is whereby they're able to get into different job platforms. Others have earned before even finishing the mentorship, which shows a great impact for that. And I also want to encourage other youths that the future is real, the future is online, and they are welcome to join the Ajira digital program as we embrace the journey of driving the economy into a positive way.
Kongeten Emening nemiten kebeberta nebo Mogotio en county nebo Baringo, logoiwekab emet chebo Kass. Kainenyun ko Sylvester Rono.
Yekitestai kakomongei alak eng meng'ikab county nebo Nandi akomwa kole tete koyai tuyet neo eng arawetab 9 neiyumi meng'ikab Nandi koboto kandoik eng takchinetab koker kole kanyor kasubet President William Ruto ak keamda kalyet asikobit walet ak bandab tai eng Nandi ak eng emet komugul. Kosubkei ak meng'ichoto komanyolu kobit teetabgei eng kwenutab biikab Kalenjin kobate kikochi kasubet serikali ala kotestai boisionik akonyor kabelisiet eng lewenisiet nebo 2027. Cornelius Keter ak logoiwechuto.
Tunapoona kwamba kuna watu wanaongea wanasema hawastahili ama hatustahili kukuwa na mazungumzo ya taifa. Tunataka kuambia hivi, tunahitaji amani na tunahitaji maendeleo. Unaposema hatutaki tuongee, tunashindwa kuelewa kwamba wewe unataka tufanye namna gani. Hakuna jambo ambayo alina maongezi. Kila jambo lazima tukalie, lazima tuongee. Na sisi kama watu wakaji wa Nandi tunataka kuomba hivi. Sisi mahali imefika, tunataka serikali iongee kitu kimoja. Tunataka kuambia kaunti zote kwamba kalishe chini vijana wenu wa JNC. Kisha mkishamaliza basi tunaweza kuwa na dialogue amba tunaweza kuwa na maongezi ya serikali ya juu. Kwa sababu mahali imefikia tunahitaji kila mmoja. Tuweze kuongea tupate suluhisho. Kuna watu wengi ambao wamepewa kazi na serikali hii ya William Ruto. Tunataka kuwaomba hivi. Ni nyinyi ambao mnaweza kusaidia serikali. Kwa sababu mmepewa kazi na kazi yenyewe mmenyamaza nayo. Tunataka kuwaomba msimame na kufanya kazi kwa sababu mahali imefika. Tuna watu wa opposition ambao wanaongozwa na Rigathi Gachagua ambaye tunajua Rigathi Gachagua amekuwa mtu wa siasa wa jamii, amekwama kwa jamii yake ya Mlima Kenya. Na tunataka kusema hivi, Kenya hii inahitaji kila mmoja, haihitaji jamii mmoja ama haihitaji jamii mbili, inahitaji sisi zote. Tunataka kusema hivi, hata opposition tunajua pia mnataka kiti vile mnaomba mkiongea, lakini tunataka kukuja pamoja kwanza kwa maendeleo. Tujue kwamba Juzi tumekuwa na maandamano ya vijana Gen Z. Gen Z hawa watasaidiwa vipi? Tutawasaidia aje? Kwa sababu malilio yao ni haki na ni ya kweli. Tuweze kusaidiana pamoja na kuleta suluhisho kwa mambo ambayo inasumbua vijana wetu. Kwa sababu hakuna jinsi mtu mmoja anaweza kutoa suluhisho. Ni sisi wote kukuja pamoja na kukaa chini.
Kingen nematin kele William Arap Ruto ko weritab ng'ung'unyek ako lakwenyo. Akechome inendet kemeche kereminden kele William komami chito age nekikere inendet at the moment. So kisome boisiek ak chepyosok ak neranik ak biikab bodaboda ak all professionals kele tun tarik 9 ketuye tugul Kipchoge Stadium. Sababu nebo ng'olyondoni kemeche koek bororiet agenge ku logosta nebo sosik. Kimeche komi cheplagok, kimeche komi murenik, kimeche komi boisiek ak chepyosok. Mami nguno chito nekikere William Arap Ruto. Arap Ruto ko president nenyo amakitindoi mpango wa kando. Egu president nenyo agoi 2032 ko kacham komuktoindet. Ako lazima kiborchi akine kelechi kichomei ako mat kocheng formula olenyo ndo Nandi. Uchi newendi togoni Arap Ruto konyo Nandi. Takat president ak kechome inendet. Biik chekikokoch kasit Arap Ruto koservan in various government departments chebo national government. Kemeche kelechi akot akwek kotinye responsibility oti serikalit akomong'u oborchi biik amune nebo keti serikalit. Kwachek wakachi chebo Nandi kemeche kesomke kele eng tun tarik 9 nebo arap 8 betunoto ko Jumamos kesomeke kele ngotuiyo tugul Nandi kotuiyo kuinetab Morongoch ak muguleldab Nandi Kapsabet. Kongoi mising.
Kokakisom tarik 9 eng Kipchoge Stadium ketuiye meng'ikab Nandi tugul ole boch keng'alal tiyetab Arap Ruto ne bandanyi nebo 2027 keng'alal kelechigei kalia sikoek lakwenyo nebo Kimeite akoi 2032 ko noton saet neo bikyok kakibwa yu kemwoiwo kelechok kitochok tarik 9 Kipchoge Stadium. Kimeche chi age tugul mama mboga vijana wa pikipiki ako chi tugul konyoru nafas professionals tugul kemeche ketuiye yundo. Ng'alalan bikyok ko kakiker eng maswek chikoik tofauti kakisaswei lakwenyo amune. Kesome viongozi tugul kong'eteke MCAs, MPs, women rep, senator, governor ak professionals tugul chebo Nandi County ak biik chekikikochi kasi eng national government kondochin akot kile kemoche kesomok obwa sikekaseke chametabge eng Nandi. Otherwise kitochok bikyok makitinye ng'ale kimeche kele kityo takirib lakwenyo kwa akoi 2032 akecham kila mutu aketebeke kelechigei ne nekeyoe eng priority. Nekaet bikyok sikemwa kounoto ko kikokochi kasisiek Arap Ruto kiboitinik cheechen chebo serikali. Nginyoru nguno chitugul kolen meche Felix, inyoru ake kolen meche ng'o, ako bichu kikokochi kasisiek kemeche kesom bikyok kelechi chito nekikokochi nafas Arap Ruto kosir biik kou yo sire biik bichun. Ngiro nguno mutu akingikochi nafas ko koimanda Mugambae. Kiro kokoek ministaek chekikochi PSS chetindoi karibu 10 ak kiy ako boldos. Kemeche kesom bikyok kelechi age tugul nemi serikali ko mat koek boriet kityo nebo Arap Ruto.
Akoyai tuyet benkitab NCBA ak chemung'arainik chebo taonitab Eldoret kotinygei ak ortinwek chebo kokimitetab mung'aret kosubkei ak Managing Director nebo NCBA Kenya James kole kotindoi maket NCBA nebo kotoret chemung'arainik eng kokimitetab mung'aret ako unoto kotesetai NCBA kokochin toretet chemung'arainik.
The SME sector is a high growth sector. The entrepreneurial spirit, and this is why I've come out of Nairobi, and this is actually my first visit to a region outside of Nairobi, is to hear and try and gauge and feel the spirit of entrepreneurship that we have in this country. And I'm delighted with what I've seen here. I'm actually astounded at the degree of passion. I think that's a word I've heard a few times today from you when I've asked the question, well, how did you get going? How did you manage to overcome the obstacles of being a startup operation? I wish I could identify more people like that because that's absolutely the client base we're going to be aiming at.
This forum means many things to us. We undertook and took on an assignment of connecting with our customers and engaging. Deeply hold the philosophy that you cannot optimally serve folks that you don't understand and whose businesses you really don't connect with. or understand. And therefore, at the beginning of the year, we say to ourselves, we want to connect with our customers more. We want to understand what they do a whole lot more, so that then we are able to tailor-make solutions for our customers from a point of understanding. We don't think vanilla cuts it. We think customizing it is absolutely important. And so as we do an event such as the one we've done tonight here in Eldoret, it helps us to connect with our customers more. It helps us also to articulate what it is that we are doing to them, because we can assume they know. But also more importantly, it allows us to hear from them and really receive basic feedback. It was such a proud moment just to listen to how many folks have been with us for a long period of time, but also see what that length of time has done for their businesses and their visions and their aspirations. And just to listen to their quests to keep working with you. And they're still sharing those aspirations and saying, we just want you guys to continue being part of our journey. And proudly, we want to take that journey along with them.
Agirwakchi eng kapkirwok nebo Narok chi nekikure Paul Kanyinge Sena kotinygei ak lelutiet nemwaat kele kitinygei ak baretab okiliot nekikure Mandela Nabala eng hotelit agenge nemitei taonitab Narok. Ole kangat kapkirwok keker chichoto eng kasarta nebo betusiek 14 eng kasarta netesetai chikilisiet. Kaibor kaimetabgei kibagengeitab okiliek nebo Law Society of Kenya LSK mornetab Narok kotinygei ak baretab Mandela. Ole kamwa kole wendi koyoe kit age tugul neimugaksei koker kole kabit imanda. Kami kapkirwok noto sirindenyo Nicholas Rono akoibwech report neisubi.
Kakiit kapkirwok nebo Narok chi agenge nekibwotyin kele kitinygei ak baretab okiliot Mandela Nabala koboisien bundukit en terchinet nekibiten kwenunywan en taonitab Narok. Kangat kapkirwok nebo Narok Paul Kanyinge Sena keker en polis en kasartab betusiek 14 en tilet nekakon kirwokindet nebo kapkirwok nebo Narok Senior Resident Magistrate Phyllis Shinyanda kole magat keyochi chikilisiet anan mental assessment chichoton en kasarta netesetai chikilisiet kenai ngot kokitinygei en baret
Council, I don't think that will be necessary because there's nothing much the court is doing now other than just giving directions and preparing the file to be placed before the judge for plea. Thank you. And a report be duly filed before plea can be taken. You'll also be produced before the judge on the 28th of July for plea, and in the meantime you'll be held in custody at Narok prison remand home.
Kikinyor portab advocate Mandela Nabala kokakebar en parking nebo hotelit agenge nemiten en taonitab Narok. Ole kamwa kibagengeit nebo LSK kondochin Parsen Masikonde kole toreti kibagengeit bo LSK familia en kasari bune uindo.
As Narok advocates, we have all of us appeared before court to represent the deceased family. As all of you know that this was a very unfortunate thing. And the court has directed that a mental assessment be done, and we will come to court again on the 28th of July. We know we once again say sorry to the Nabala family. The pain you have is the pain we have. Mandela was our colleague, and we are also crying as the legal fraternity for having lost him. And we assure the family that LSK Narok chapter, we have made a resolution to take up this matter and to make sure that the minimum justice available in law will be found. And we will walk this journey together, and we will also support the family financially, morally, and all support we will give you.
Tetat kekas kirwokonoton en tarikit 28 en arawani en logoiwekab emet chebo Kass International kong'eten taonitab Narok. Kainenyun ko Nicholas Rono.
Eng logoiwekab urerioshek kotesetai chopchinetabgei nebo timitab Harambee Stars kochopchingei kabelisiet noto nebo CHAN nebo emotinwek chebo ng'wony, kabelisiet eng kiwanjetab Kasarani Annex. Ole kong'ong Boniface Mushiri, urerenindet nebo Harambee Stars, kole machei kobel ichek urerionotok bo CHAN.
The training has been good, good preparation with good intensity for the games that are coming. So we are in a good mood, and the preparation is really good. We are doing well in the training sessions. Nowadays, there's no underdogs when it comes to football. So we just have to believe in ourselves. For my teammates, we should demand a lot from ourselves first, because we are playing for the country, you know. So we have to make our loved ones, the Republic of Kenya, proud by giving the best performance that we can, so that we can write history and leave a legacy behind. There's no under pressure. As long as we do our best, we play according to the instructions, and we follow the coach's instruction and how we play. I think with the preparation that we are having, I believe we can achieve anything when it comes to football matters. To our lovely fans, I would like to request them to come and support us, to come and fill the stadium, because we need their support. The same way they did against Gabon in Nyayo Stadium. So it was really feeling, and the atmosphere, it was electric. So hopefully we can find that atmosphere here at Kasarani when we host our first game and the rest of the matches that we'll be playing here at Kasarani. So we welcome all our fans.
Ako yuto kokakait let nebo kayumetab logoiwekab emet kong'ete Kass TV. Akoi sait agenge nebo Kemboi inyoru boroindo kora nebo logoiwekab emet. Kainenyu ko Chesankaro Sirma, testai kere Kass TV, kimnatet naet.